ASMR. I hope this is the right term. Usually I don't do ASMR, but let's try. Okay, so this is the Samson G-Track Pro. The microphone is on cardio 8 polar button, also is on 75%. I'm kinda thirsty, so let me put some drink. I don't know what to do now. I'm gonna put myself a drink. The microphone is very sensitive, so be careful. If you do kind of videos, you need to have a good treated room. Cheers. If you're wondering what I'm drinking, it's a latte macchiato. I bought it from Lidl. I think I should put a pop filter or something because I can hear some plosives. So this is the Samsung G-Track Pro ASMR test. If you're planning to buy this microphone for ASMR, this was my apologize about that. My stomach. I'm drinking coffee. Let's try again. So basically this is the sound from Samsung G-Track Pro. This is non-edited audio. It's a raw audio. So I hope you like this video. It's a little bit weird, but I should try, at least with this microphone, because many people using this microphone for ASMR.